Hello viewers, for DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be reviewing these H8, H9, or H11 replacement LED headlight bulbs from Bevinsee. As you may have seen not too long ago, these bulbs were installed in a 2015 Mazda CX9. From my searches online, Mazda does seem to have issues with poor headlight performance around this generation, so this was certainly a great opportunity to test these out. This is their V45 model. A link to these will be included in the video description along with a coupon code. As a quick replacement overview, you'll be required to access the rear of a light. Specifically for the Mazda CX9, there is a plastic domed cap which needs to be removed. Once removed, we have access to the inside of the assembly where the factory style halogen bulb is located. Remove the electrical connector and then rotate the bulb counterclockwise to remove. Here's the new replacement LED bulbs. They come as a pair in a pack and are rated at 300% brighter, and as mentioned earlier, this is their V45 series. Included in the box will be a generic installation guide. No modifications are required for the installation, they are a direct plug and play. The only thing that will need to be determined is that you have the correct polarity. However, that is easily done by testing the bulbs before finalizing the installation. If the bulb doesn't illuminate, then simply flip over that plug. They are equipped with heat sinks and a built-in cooling fan, feature an aluminum construction and have an IP68 rating. The pair is rated at 120 watts with a brightness of 22,000 lumens, substantially brighter than compared to the stock halogen bulb. These are designed in such a way to have the proper light cutoff, not blinding fellow motorists on the road. These are being used in a projector housing as well, which further helps direct the light output properly. And they have a 100,000 hour lifespan as well. As you can see, there is also a module attached to the light. This will be positioned inside the headlight assembly. Comparing the old and new bulbs, you can see the portion inside the lamp within the reflector has similar dimensions when referencing the diodes and the halogen filament. The backside does have a thicker profile which works fine with the factory Mazda headlights. Here's a comparison between the factory halogen bulb and the LED before it's installed back into the headlight assembly. As you can see, there is a substantial increase in output and a much cleaner color improving visibility. As mentioned earlier, these are polarity sensitive, so test the bulbs before finalizing the installation. If a light doesn't illuminate, it's as simple as flipping around the plug to switch the negative and positive. Install the light into the assembly. Make sure those 3 tabs are aligned, push it into place, and then rotate clockwise to lock it in. The module is then placed inside the housing. I would recommend using a cable tie to hold the module in place when possible. In this scenario, there wasn't an option due to the headlight design. After that is installing the plastic dome cap back in place. Align those tabs, then rotate to lock it in. Here's a comparison between the lights. The LED is on the right and the factory halogen style is on the left. The vehicle still uses halogen bulbs for the high beams. That is a separate bulb, which is why you're seeing different colors within one light. The LED has a much faster startup time, including full light output almost immediately. Now at night, as you can see the comparison here, the LED is on the left and the factory halogen is on the right. The LEDs are a great factory upgrade without making any modifications to your vehicle. The LED upgrades help improve the safety at night, has a lower operating temperature which helps reduce the deterioration of your headlight assemblies, lower voltage demand reducing the load on your electrical system, and modernizes the look of your vehicle. The bulbs are rated at 6,000 Kelvin, which is compared to midday type light with a slightly blue tint. This will be cleaner light output, which does greatly help reduce eye fatigue when driving at night, as well as safely illuminating any objects on the road. The lights are designed in such a way to provide 360 degrees of illumination, matching the angle of the halogen bulbs. Overall, I must say I'm very happy with their performance and quite surprised how much of improvement they made with the extremely poor performance from the factory bulbs. This is a must-have for anyone doing any night driving, especially if you live outside of the city. Have you purchased this product? Please be sure to share your experiences in the comments below. New videos are released every week on my channel. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me. And if you're not a subscriber, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.